Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at two examples of the Pentel TwistaRace lead pencils. And we're going to be looking at the GT and the TwistaRace 3. And let's see what the differences of these are. First of all, I've got a 0.7 millimeter one for the 3, and I've got a 0.5 for the GT. Now, these two packages, I want to say this one was $9 and this one was $8. So 3 for $8 and 2 for $9. So these are a little pricey considering they seem like they would be on the disposable side of things. We get no extra leads with either one, although you get extra erasers with the 3s. Let's open these up first. Let's take a look and see. Mistakes are no match for the bigger eraser. Long steel clip, blah blah blah. Sturdy, well balanced, maximum grip. Protective tip design stabilizes lead and reduces breakage. So I guess that's the little pointy thing. I feel like that's going to stab me. Alright, let's open these things up and take a look. Alright. So no instructions on the erasers. Alright. So this is the Pentel TwistaRace. And this one is the 3. Alright. So, okay, that's kind of cool. The TwistaRace happens like so. And when you reach the point where you've twisted and erased all you can, you pop in a new one and twist it back down. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's not bad as mechanisms go. I like it much better than the stupid like plastic caps. Doesn't feel too bad to write with. I mean, it's definitely on the disposable end of things, and I really feel like this is going to stab you at some point. Alright, so for the 2-pack, you get 2 of those, and you get 2 extra erasers. Let's see what the GT gives us. The stakes are still no match for the larger than ordinary eraser. I'm going to check and see if they're the same size. Before writing, click once to advance the sleeve with the lead. Ooh. So maybe this is like a stabbing friendly one where you're not going to get stabbed. Alright. So let's see. Alright. Well, we are most definitely on the disposable end of things with these. For sure. Alright, so let's see. It says click once to advance the point, and then click to advance the lead. Okay, that's kind of cool. So these are the Pentel TwistaRace GT. And it retracts the little stabby part. So you have the potential to not get stabbed. I like that. I kind of wish that feature were on this one. But yeah, you don't retract them at all there. Alright, so let's take a look at this Twisties eraser thing. It looks like it uses the same eraser. Yep, it uses the same eraser as the other one. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's interesting. I'll tell you what's kind of bad, though. Okay, it doesn't retract quite as far. You have it sticking out here where this one goes all the way in, like so. I'll tell you what, though. I wish that this feature were on this pencil, like for sure. Because that's one of those things that I don't know. just feel like you need every little bit that keeps you from getting stabbed by a lead pencil. Maybe that's just me. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. I think for me, between these two, the GTs are the definite winner. I'll include a link in the description to both of these if you want to check them out. They're, I don't know. Compared to these, I don't like these at all. They just seem like they're, I don't know. The design feels off. Like, if they can make ones this good, they should have made these this good. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If you think that this one is superior and I'm absolutely wrong, let me know. And if there are any other lead pencils or whatever I should check out, leave in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.